In this episode of Kids Drawings and Colorings, we will draw some colorful markers. I will show you how to draw markers. Let's draw another marker. We'll draw two more markers and then we will color our markers. And you can choose whatever color you want to do your markers, or you can just choose to do the colors which I'm doing. Okay, one last marker. And markers are fun to draw with. As you can see, I'm using a marker to draw with. Okay, we have 4 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add some color to our markers. Now this will be a purple color marker. That's our first marker. And our next marker, we will do a green color. You're watching step by step drawing for kids, video for kids. For kids, drawing and coloring, and we're drawing some colorful markers. Let's do the color blue for our next marker. For our next marker, we will do an orange color. This is step-by-step drawing for kids, drawings and colorings. Here you go, we have completed our final marker, and I've shown you step by step how to draw markers. Please subscribe to this channel for more step by step for kids drawing, coloring and painting. New drawing for kids, video for kids are uploaded daily. Thank you so much for your support.